I didn't come here with any expectation. I thought I was going to come here just for a haircut and see what you decide you could do. Initially, I just wanted to get rid of the darker shade so that it tends to blend with my gray hair. I'm just tired of constantly dyeing.
Are you planning to start allowing the natural to come through?
I think I don't have a choice. It's just it's too much damage on the hair.
Yeah. The more I'm looking at your hair texture, this client is very loud.
مدام صعب اعمل فيديو اعطيني 5 دقائق.
Cut.
Sorry, let's start over because her voice
Oh.
is too loud. Go ahead.
I'm just tired of having to dye the hair constantly. Maybe let the gray grow out. It's been 5 months since the last time I colored my hair.
5 months.
5
Okay.
months. But second to last procedure really damaged my hair where it was falling out. It was just extremely strong.
Especially your hair texture is quite wiry and thick. Means it needs a good 15-20 minutes, sometimes half an hour, till the dark one becomes nice blonde. By the time it becomes a nice blonde, because the hair already is very damaged, then the hair becomes very dry, as you can see now. Now, the good thing that the more I look at your natural hair on the top, because you have a higher percentage of gray over here, that's a good thing. Because if you look at this area only, imagine if the yellow is not there.
Yes.
You see, I like this. Is
I
actually
prefer
brightens
that.
up your face. So you would look like you have a combination of dark and you have a silver highlight, which is way better than all this yellow that you see it on the ends. Now, today, the first thing I have to do is to target the burned ends as much as possible. So I'm gonna cut as much as I can from the top layer. I know it takes usually with you forever to grow, but that's not because your hair doesn't grow. Because the speed of breakage is way faster than the speed of growth. Look at how much growth you have.
Yeah.
Within how many? 6 months, you said?
5 months.
5 months.
Yeah.
People, they get this much growth in 1 year. So imagine if this is triple in a year and a half. So you're gonna have your hair all the way touching your shoulder with the thickness that it comes through the roots, and without needing to worry about cutting as much as you want.
The only request I do have is this is as far as I go, or else I have to move into your house tonight because my husband will not allow it. Like I don't mind going through the journey. My only concern is I cannot have it shorter than my earlobes.
To here.
You can even go here. You can even go here. You can even go here. Yeah.
This is just the ends are sticking out straight and they're not sitting well. And if you check your natural curls, you do have a nice natural curls inside. So my plan is get rid of the ends that doesn't have curls anymore. So what I'm planning to do, I will work on the layers at the back, at least to try to bring your hair to the healthy stage as fast as possible.
Okay.
The back will recover fast. The front, that's gonna take time.
No, it's not.
So this is, you gotta be patient with it. After I finish, I can try to remove the yellow. I will put a color on the ends to remove the yellow as much as possible. So at least you don't feel like this is too annoying. You're gonna feel the haircut a little bit more rounded. Let it be rounded and grow and get healthy, and the roundness will shift lower and lower when the hair gets longer, better than dealing with it now. Because if you keep cutting tiny bit, the problem is not in here. The problem is in all this part. This damage here, it's traveling now to your natural. So the less you cut, the longer you have to wait. So instead of going more aggressive with a cut and getting your hair back in maybe a year and a half, that's gonna take 5 years. So you gotta take the decision, cut as much as possible, come back in a few months, cut the remaining, and you're off to growing everything healthy and thick. The fact that you're gonna be not coloring from now on means all the inflammation that was building up in the follicles from coloring is going to start going away, which means the speed of growth will increase, the health of the hair will increase, because the minute you let the hair on the roots, you let the roots and the follicles be clean, not exposed to any kind of chemical or colors or anything, you're going to be shocked with how quickly the hair grows and how quickly it recovers.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yes.
I will give you quickly the breakdown of the price, then we can start.
Okay.
Yeah. After we curled it, it shrinked.
But it's like that with the curls.
Yeah, with the curl, it shrinked. I'm like, it jumped up really that much, but it's good. Okay. But I like it. What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah?
I do.
It's clean. Yes, it's shorter. I mean, before we styled it, today I wanted to style it for people to see the curly hair because all the people tell me, hey, leave it curly, let's see. So usually when you style it and it's still like, look at this. So everything can be double in length when it's stretched, but your hair,
My curls are very tight.
yeah, your curls are tight. But all the orange is kind of gone.
Yes, which
I
I
managed
love.
to cut all the damage hair. I'm like literally. Then whatever left over, a bit of yellow on the ends, I removed it and I put a bit of grayish color so to blend. So now you look like you have everything
Complete
natural.
gray hair. Yes.
I mean, even on your skin, the gray silver here, it's popping out. Before, when you look at yourself, the only thing you see is the yellow.
Yes, it is.
Now you're starting to see how beautiful the silver is here. So soon this gets starting to get longer, the breakage will stop because of what we have done. So I'm hoping in a year and a half, you're gonna start having it all the way to here, but thick ends. And that's it.
Thank you. I like it.
Now, whenever you want, come back, we can treat it. We
Okay.
can treat the back. When we treat the back, we open the curls a
curls.
little bit if you want. So it will look even more manageable, but whenever you're ready for it.
Okay.
You didn't see the back, did you?
No, I didn't.
Okay. Oh. So this is majority of it, it's your natural. Because I cut all the more you go toward the top, you see the ends are more, you got silver gray color.
Okay.
That's from the color we have done today.
Okay.
Okay? Now, the more you go toward the sides, like you keep the mirror. So I kept it slightly longer here, but I didn't want to connect it with this. I don't want to leave it till here, because if I leave the hair cut this way, connect with this part, means everything here will look long, then the problem will not be sorted.
Okay.
That's why I had to bring all those layers up to remove all the damage, then angle it from here. Okay?
Okay.
So it has to be done a little bit more aggressively with a turn. Yeah, I mean,
I like it.
you just need a little bit more smiling. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Looks great, thank you. So leave it for a few months, come back for a bit of cutting after 3 months, and if you want to treat it, anytime.
Okay.
Okay?
All
You
right.
look stunning.
you.
Thank you,
Thank
darling.
you.
Thank you.